The information you will listen to in this video has been prepared by making use of the package insert of the drug. If the video is useful for you, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel for support. I wish you healthy days. Prozac, a drug from the antidepressants group, is available in 20 mg capsules. The active ingredient of Prozac is fluoxetine. What is Prozac and what is it used for? Prozac is used to treat depression, panic attacks, obsessive-compulsive disorder, a certain eating disorder, and a severe form of premenstrual syndrome. This medication may improve your mood, sleep, appetite, and energy level and may help restore your interest in daily living. It may decrease fear, anxiety, unwanted thoughts, and the number of panic attacks. It may also reduce the urge to perform repeated tasks that interfere with daily living. Prozac may lessen premenstrual symptoms such as irritability, increased appetite, and depression. It may decrease binging and purging behaviors in bulimia. How to use Prozac Capsule? If you are taking fluoxetine for premenstrual problems, your doctor may direct you to take it every day of the month or just for the 2 weeks before your period through the first full day of your period. To help you remember, mark your calendar. If you are using the liquid form of this medication, measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device spoon. Do not use a household spoon, because you may not get the correct dose. The dosage is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. To reduce your risk of side effects, your doctor may direct you to start this medication at a low dose and gradually increase your dose. Follow your doctor's instructions carefully. Take this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same time each day. Keep taking this medication even if you feel well. Do not stop taking this medication without first consulting your doctor. Some conditions may become worse when the drug is abruptly stopped. Your dose may need to be gradually decreased. You should see some improvement in 1 to 2 weeks. It may take 4 to 5 weeks before you feel the full benefit. Here are some things to know before using Prozac. Before taking fluoxetine, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it, or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients, which can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Before using this medication, tell your doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of personal or family history of bipolar manic depressive disorder, personal or family history of suicide attempts, liver problems, diabetes, low sodium in the blood, severe dehydration, seizures, stomach intestinal ulcers, personal or family history of glaucoma. This drug may make you dizzy or drowsy. Alcohol or marijuana can make you more dizzy or drowsy. Do not drive, use machinery, or do anything that needs alertness until you can do it safely. Avoid alcoholic beverages. Talk to your doctor if you are using marijuana. The liquid form of this medication contains alcohol. Caution is advised if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease. Some medications can cause a serious reaction when combined with alcohol. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. Before having surgery, tell your doctor or dentist about all the products you use. Children may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially weight loss. Monitor weight and height in children who are taking this drug. During pregnancy, this medication should be used only when clearly needed. It may harm an unborn baby. This medication passes into breast milk and may have undesirable effects on a nursing infant. Consult your doctor before breastfeeding. Possible side effects with the use of Prozac include nausea, drowsiness, dizziness, anxiety, trouble sleeping, loss of appetite, tiredness, sweating, or yawning may occur. If any of these effects last or get worse, tell your doctor promptly. Remember that this medication has been prescribed because your doctor has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. If the video is useful for you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share your views and experiences in the comment section. I wish you healthy days.